New garage is in. Holes 3, no problem. Well, the garage not done. Still got to put tin on the inside, insulation and tin, and recessed lighting. Model A fits. Mustang fits. 66 fits. Lawnmower fits. Lots of room in here now. Probably could get at least 4 across the back in the winter. Still have plenty of room up front for a couple more. Amazing. 28 by 32. 10-6 sidewalls. Let's get a shot outside. This is the new building that the tree that fell on it on January 8th storm destroyed. Oh, tractor's down here. Mini's down here. Got to do some more work. Yes, sir. See you soon. What do you think?